while having sex, it just because you are sexting to a person doesn't mean he loves you. This is one of my friends. Hi my beautiful sunflowers, welcome back to the channel. This is Ishita with 2 E's, and आज का video is going to be quite interesting because we are going to get to know more about you guys, like your secrets, your dark, embarrassing, cringy secrets. I think एक week पहले I posted a poll on my Instagram story and YouTube community whether you want to watch a personal Q&A या फिर a video where I react to your secrets, and Instagram पे this secret wala video won. So I thought let's do this one first because it might be much more fun to watch as well. And I know YouTube people wanted me to do a personal Q&A because I don't usually do Q&As very often. So you can leave your Q&A questions in this video ka comment section. I'm gonna do a Q&A next week. I hope that's fine with everybody. मैं 4 दिन से कुछ भी shoot नहीं कर रही थी because I got vaccinated and my 4 days were a journey of their own. I'm gonna release the vlog very soon. Now a disclaimer before this video, I'll try to keep my moral compass ekdam zero pe. I will try not to judge. This is a no judgment zone. In case you're somebody who is gonna feel ki yaar in लोगों ने क्या मजे किए हैं, please don't think about this video like that. Don't make it personal. Don't feel bad that okay किसने कुछ crazy किया है मतलब वही जिंदगी जी रहा है. I am a very shy person. I've not done these things, तो मतलब I'm wasting my life. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. ये जवानी है दीवानी नहीं चल रहा है. And you are not Deepika Padukone. Think of this video as a random hostel की party, girls hostel की party, जहाँ पे everybody is drunk and everybody is just talking about things that have disturbed them, that they've done, they are very embarrassed about. कोई judgment नहीं, just enjoy the gossip. Okay? Also, if you're watching my face for the very first time, hit the red button and join the Sunflower Squad. Yes, that's our community name. And मैं इस बार का shout out of the video पहले ही बता दे रही हूँ. It's Nishtha. Her comment was, I love the sunflower name. We are your sunflowers and you are our sun. I never thought about this part while selecting the sunflower name. So this was very cute, and any which ways, thank you for all the nice comments about the community name. I'm glad everybody likes it. So yeah, I was very happy. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's start. मैं एक disclaimer पहले डाल दे रही हूँ. मैं कोई भी cousin वाला ड्रामा नहीं इंक्लूड करने वाली हूँ. I will not be able to control my opinions if I read something like that. So yes, मैंने ये 2 दिन पहले Q&A डाल दिया था स्टोरी पे because I was sick and मेरी आँखें जल रही थी when I was looking at the screen. So I knew कि ये perfect timing है. I will not be able to check the answers. वरना मैं पूरे टाइम फोन में लगी रहूँगी and there will be no surprise element for me as well. So let's go. So पहला वाला is, मैं नाम लेने वाली थी. My boyfriend and I cheated on each other and broke up. He still thinks it was just him who cheated. Nice one. Well played, actually. Very well played. That's all I'm gonna say. Very well played. I stole money from my mom's purse. ये सबने किया ये मतलब. I hope my mom is not watching this video, but ठीक है, cool. I want to know क्या किया उस पैसों से. कैंटीन में खाया, बॉयफ्रेंड के लिए कुछ चीजें ली, खुद के लिए कुछ खरीदा. What did you do? Recharge करवाया. क्या किया? Had hit and run a person while making out in a car. Oh fuck! And this is one of my friends. Shit. Oh my god. मैं इसे मैसेज करने वाली हूँ बाद में obviously. But oh my god. I'm sure वो person इतना इंजर नहीं हुआ होगा, like going by the language used here. But please guys, मतलब please do not make out in a moving car. मतलब I understand vibe create हो गई होगी, mood set हो गया होगा. Please park it कहीं सुनसान सड़क पे and then make out. I think सबसे common saying is don't drink and drive. I think now we should also say don't make out and drive. I failed in class 11th, but due to COVID, nobody got to know, not even my parents, and now I'm in 12th. I think this person is the luckiest one. Good for you, girl. But how did it happen? मतलब स्कूल वालों ने कोई कुछ भेजा नहीं, मतलब रिपोर्ट कार्ड नहीं मांगा पेरेंट्स ने, कैसे हो गया? या फिर फाइनल मार्क्स वर nulled, सबको पास कर दिया गया था because of the pandemic. I think which is actually nice because everybody is under immense pressure and especially students, so it's good for you, good for the students. Yay! I made out and did some hot stuff in common washroom cause he was having a rough time. I think it is continued and I wanted him to get his mind away from it and release his stress. Oh god, he ended up cheating on me. And then there's a Joker wala smiley. First of all, you are such a nice friend. Friend nahi, girlfriend. Such a caring girlfriend, yaar. And you deserve somebody who would do the same hot stuff to you when you are stressed. I saw an old lady and my first thought was, she'll be easy to murder. What? Oh my god. I think you are going through some really rough times. Please take care. Please get therapy. Please. My boyfriend isn't romantic. तो एक बार मैंने अपने best friend को kiss करा था. He doesn't know that in 4 years. I want to know in 4 साल के बाद में भी you are still with your boyfriend who isn't romantic. Why? मतलब अगर best friend को kiss किया and even he didn't mind, तो उसी के साथ चले जाओ ना. मतलब I once put a dead cockroach in my teacher's lunch because she took away my lunch. One day she fainted. Hey, this was fun. तुम बहुत ही खुरापाती बच्चे थे. Yeah, this is so fun. I might be bisexual, I don't know at this point. Aw, that's okay. That's okay if you're confused about your sexuality. Actually, I've personally seen a lot of girls say this, that they feel they are bisexual because they do feel attracted to other girls, and that's totally normal. I would say after lockdown, ek do baar experiment kar lo just to be really sure about your sexuality. Once I was drunk with my friends and seniors on a road trip and they were peeing and I told them sab dikh raha hai. Oh god, must have been a very fun drive. While having sex, oh god, while having sex, it accidentally slipped in the wrong hole, and that pain. Oh my god, he kept apologizing. I have never seen a girl openly saying this, that she enjoys it. It's just painful. Good that he apologized. Good for you. I was stalking the girl my boyfriend used to like before, and now I have become obsessed with her. Bisexual. Nahin. It's okay. Girls are pretty. Girls are actually very... I feel like girls' ki profile are also very nice. So it's okay to be obsessed with somebody's profile. कोई बात नहीं है, थोड़े दिन और स्टॉक करो. It's okay, it's cool. I also stalk girls. Okay, मैंने next वाला cousin देखा, फिर I was going to ignore it, but it's not about cousin. It's sexting to my cousin's bestie. Thank you. Thank you for adding the bestie word. चलेगा. It's like your भाई या बहन का best friend. यार तुम भाई बहन को बता भी सकते हो. I understand कुछ भाई बहन काफ़ी possessive हो जाएंगे. They wouldn't like it, but I don't know. I was getting engaged in 2019 and I cheated my would-be fiance. Of course, he got to know that and he called off the engagement and told the entire story to my parents. Thankfully, they didn't trust him. Oh my god. Wow. क्या सही खेल गई तुम. But I also feel bad for your fiance. But ठीक है. That is a very interesting story. मतलब मजे आ गए मुझे पढ़ के. It took me some time to digest it as well and process it. But wow. We were on a trip and I bumped into my friends having sex. It's okay. It happens. The third wheel has to suffer a lot. I was the one who broke my senior's straightener and lipsticks when I left hostel. She literally tortured me इसलिए. Well done, अच्छा किया. She should pay for her actions. Good for you. I saw my parents in an uncomfortable position in बचपन एक spot से खिड़की के unintentionally. Oh god. I think ऐसे incidents just scar people for life. It's okay. I feel parents should be really, careful around their children. अगर घर में बच्चा पैदा किया है तो खिड़की दरवाजे सब बंद कर लिया करो, please. I went to male washroom by mistake 3 to 4 times. By mistake 3 to 4 times कैसे हो गया? खाली था तुम्हें पता नहीं चला तुम चले गए. Read my old chats and then realized I was flirting with so many guys. Lol. Wow, talent, bro, talent. Effortlessly flirting. Wow. I'm Hindu. I love a guy who is Muslim. I think he loves me too, as we do sexting and all. आगे पढ़ने से पहले, just because you are sexting to a person doesn't mean he loves you. We are in a lockdown. People are bored as well. मतलब sorry to burst your bubble or something, but मतलब ये भी possibility होती है यार. We can't be serious. I think that's because of the interreligion thing. If you're watching this video, please सिर्फ सेक्सटिंग पे बेसिस पे प्यार मत कर लेना. मतलब क्लियर द एयर, उसके बाद थिंक अबाउट थिंग्स. Oh my god, saw my parents doing it twice. I'm so sorry for you. I once found porn on some relative's phone. I was a child. Sorry. बचपन में तुम्हें क्या लगा होगा, क्या समझ में आया होगा? What is porn? मतलब would have been really weird ना. मतलब कुछ समझ में तो नहीं आता था. मुझे बचपन में लगता था, मतलब जो मम्मा के सीरियल होते थे ना, मुझे लगता था बचपन मतलब बच्चे पैदा सुहागरात से होते हैं. See, I didn't know. This is when I must have been in first या second standard. मतलब वो सीरियल्स में दिखाते ही थे, वो दरवाज़ा बंद होता है और फिर कुछ थोड़े टाइम बाद, कुछ एपिसोड्स बाद बच्चा होता है. मतलब पता नहीं यार, मुझे लगता था सुहागरात कुछ ऐसी चीज़ है जिससे बच्चा पैदा होता है. That's it. Oh God, next वाला is disgusting. Me and my sister did potty together by sitting on the same potty pot. I want to know कौन सी एज पे ये हुआ, कौन सी पोजीशन में कैसे बैठ गए तुम लोग, मतलब कैसे? I showed my pubes to my best friend when I was young. इसीलिए हमारे देश में ना बच्चों को सिखाना चाहिए कि there are no touching zones and no show zones as well. मतलब सबको कुछ भी नहीं दिखाना है, प्लीज. ओके, I never expected कि मैं इतना हंस रही होंगी इस वीडियो में. Thank you for making this such a fun video, guys. Please, thank you. I hate to admit, but I kissed someone else while I was in a relationship and I felt guilty forever. Aww. If you're feeling guilty, please confess about it to your partner. Long term इसके काफ़ी बुरे effects हो सकते हैं. You will forever keep feeling guilty about doing something, and I can see कि you actually feel very sorry for doing it. गलतियाँ सबसे होती हैं. If you feel like your partner would understand it, please confess it. Sneaked out of house at 3 a.m. Wow, to meet my boyfriend and made out on my apartment's terrace. Wasn't caught, dude. Respect. Yeah, this is what I want to do. मतलब अब तो मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ, अब तो मैं बहुत बड़ी हो गई हूँ, but this is fun. This is fun. My boyfriend's best friend fucked me hard. Two things. How can he fuck you hard? Basically, this was consensual sex, right? मतलब you both had sex. Like I'm putting it like this. And if you enjoyed it that much, पहली चीज़ तो you are cheating. Oh my god, मैंने बोला था moral compass दूर रखूँगी, but oh my god. Good for you. Good for you. You enjoyed it. Good for you. I and my fiance, we make out at office washroom, train, but I think ये पूरी list भेजी गई है मुझे. Terrace, dressing room, stairs, we are totally mad in love with each other. Thank you for making me feel bad about my long distance relationship. Thank you. And good to know that you guys are in love so much and enjoying it everywhere. This is actually a very happy phase in a relationship. Enjoy it while it lasts. Made out with my mom's brother and enjoyed it. This I पक्का know this is from a fake ID. मतलब पिक्चर नहीं है, बहुत ही रैंडम सा नाम है. I'm just gonna say this very out loud. Mom's brother is your uncle and you cannot joke about something like this. You need to understand, पहली चीज़ अगर ये reality है, it's wrong on so many different levels, and this is not something that you should joke about and make it very normal. This is unfortunately the dark reality for a lot of us. मतलब I personally know girls and boys who've been sexually assaulted by their own uncles, close relatives, extended family के relatives while they were kids, and they grew up with very fucked up intimacy issues and they had to go to therapy. They had It shapes you as a person when you grow up, when you realize कि तुम्हारे साथ बचपन में क्या क्या हुआ है. So this is wrong. Please don't joke about this. Please, and please, for God's sake, don't make it so normal. I am dating a guy younger than me and nobody knows. I would like to know how is the experience. Because, see, age is just age, it's just a number, but it comes down to maturity, I feel. I will not like to, generalize things, but people from my age aren't really that mature, like, haven't reached that maturity level that I would want in my partner. So, dating somebody younger than me, it's actually pretty normal. You shouldn't be afraid, or you shouldn't be embarrassed about it. बता दो यार सबको. If you are serious with the guy, but yeah, fun. Oh wow. And इसी के साथ मेरे screenshots खत्म हो चुके हैं. I think there is some issue because मैंने गलती से 2-3 आंसर्स पढ़े थे उसी रात और उसके बाद मैंने अपना फ़ोन बंद कर दिया था. एंड उसमें somebody mentioned they made out with their partner in सरोजनी नगर के पास का कोई खंडर, एंड वो स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं आया इसमें. I remember there were more such answers, but अभी is it possible that Instagram has deleted some of my answers? यार, I wanted to ask the person कि कैसे सरोजनी नगर is such a crowded place. I think उसके आसपास भी लड़कियाँ शॉपिंग करके निकल ही रही होती है, तो तुमने उसके आसपास खंडर कहाँ ढूंढ लिया? And where did you make out? And there was one another very similar thing कि make out किया कहीं ऐसी public place पे, and I was like, I think this is from the era जहाँ Oreo didn't exist. Or maybe you just like making out at public places and get a kick out of it. Guys, it's very dangerous. Please don't do it. Okay, so anyways, that was all for this video. I hope this was not very uncomfortable. I had very much fun. So yeah, let me know what was your favorite embarrassing story. Or if you relate to any of these. Or if you want more of such things. ऑल्सो नेक्स्ट वीक मैं एक ऐसा Q&A करूँगी. ऑलरेडी एक हॉल आना चाहिए, मेरा वैक्सीनेशन व्लॉग आना चाहिए, एंड we'll do a personal Q&A. So leave your questions down in the comment section, and yeah, I'll see you next time.